Today children will learn about the fractions in lowest form. Means after the cancellation we will get the simplest form, that we will learn. Here the question is, express the following in their simplest form. So here the fraction is 5 by 10. So 5 and 10 both are the multiples of 5. So 5 ones are 5 twos are. I am cancelling. So what is the simplest form of the fraction? That is 1 by 2. Here the fraction is 8 by 12. So 8 and 12 both are the multiples of 4. So 4 twos are, 4 threes are. With 4 number I am cancelling. Here the simplest fraction is 2 by 3. 2 by 3. And next fraction is 81 by 90. 81 and 90 both are the fractions of both are the multiples of 9 and 3. So 9, with 9 we will cancel. 9 nines are 9 tens are. Okay. So 9 by 10 is the simplest form. No more cancellations. For 9 and 10 no common factor is there. So because of that 9 by 10 is the simplest form. Coming to the next problem, evaluate the following and give the answer in its simplest form. Here two fractions are given, so those two fractions we should add. Okay, so addition of fractions. Here the denominator is same. When the denominators are same, LCM is the denominator itself. Okay, when the denominators are same, LCM is the denominator itself. So simply we add the numerators. So 3 plus 4, that is 7 by 5. That is 7 by 5. Here also addition of factors. Denominators are same means LCM is denominator itself. So we add the numerators. We add the numerators. 10 by 11. Very simple. So addition of fractions, subtraction of fractions are not difficult. So you should check only the denominators. When denominators are same, just take the LCM as the same denominator and add the numerators, or if it is the subtraction, we subtract the numerators. That's all. Here also 3 fractions are given. Here also addition of fractions. So what is the LCM? Here the LCM is 8 because denominators are same. So we add the numerators. So this is 9 by 8. 9 by 8. Coming to this, here subtraction of fractions. So first we check the denominators. Denominator is same. So 7 is the LCM. Just we subtract the numerators. 3 minus 2, that is 1 by 7. Here you see, one is the positive number, the other two are negative fractions. First we check the denominators. Denominators are same means 4 is the LCM. 4 is the LCM. Just as it easily we take the numerators. 3 minus 1 minus 7. Positive, positive, negative, 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 negative. Okay. So next, these two are negative numbers. This is positive number. Write the positive number first. Two negatives, minus 1, minus 7. We add and keep the sign of minus. Means minus 8 by 4. So now this is positive, this is negative. In integers, one is positive, the other is negative, means we subtract and keep the sign of bigger one. 8 minus 3 is 5. 8 is the bigger one, sign is minus. Minus 5 by 4. Minus 5 by 4. So coming to this fraction, sum of the two fractions. Sum of the two fractions. Here check the denominators. Denominators are different. Denominators are different. One is 5, the other is 9. So for 5 and 9 no common factor is there. Because of that we take the product of these two as LCM. This is your LCM product. That is 45. When no common factor is there, we take the product of two numbers. So 45 is the LCM. 45 is the LCM. So this 5, how many times it is going in 45? 9 times. 9 into 3. 9 3s are 27. Plus this 9, how many times it is going in 45? 5 times. 5 into 4 is 20. So 27 plus 20, 47 by 45 is the answer. Okay, here also sum of the fractions, but we check the denominators. The denominators are different, 8, 5 and 4. But 4 and 8, for 4 and 8, these two numbers are the multiples of 4. Multiples of 4. Okay, so what to do for 4 and 8? LCM is 8. LCM is 8. So because of that, do like this. Otherwise, this is the short division. So for 4 and 8, 4 will go. 4 2s are 5 as it is we are writing, because 4 is not going in 5 as it is, and 4 1s are. So what is the LCM? So no more common factors for 2 and 5. Directly product we are taking. 4 into 2 into 5. This is the short division. We are taking the denominators and we check the numbers. For 2 or more numbers are the common multiples of are the common multiples of any number, or the common factors is there for those two numbers. So with that number we divide. So 4 and 8 are the multiples of 4. So I start with 4. 4 2s are. So in 5, 4 is not going. As it is I am taking 4 1s are. So now product. 4 2s are 8. 8 5s are 40. So here the LCM is 40. Here the LCM is 40. So now each and every denominator we check. Okay. 8, how many times it is going in 40? 5 times. 5 3s are 15. Sign is plus. Again we are taking plus. This 5, how many times it is going in 40? 8 times. 8 3s are 24. Again the sign is plus. We are taking plus. This 4, how many times it is going in 40? 10 times. 10 3s are 30. So we add all the numbers. So 9, 6, 7, 79 by 40 is the answer. 79 by 40. This is the way of doing the problems. How to simplify, how to add. So okay. So this is the way of doing the problem. Okay. One more model I will show. See. One more model I will show. That is, when two fractions are given and we have to subtract, means what to do. We have to subtract means what to do. How to do. See. 5 by 8 minus 2 by 5. Here check the denominator. 8 comma 5. So any common factor is there? No. So the product itself is LCM. 5 8s are 40. This is your LCM. So what is your LCM? 40. Okay. So this 8, how many times it is going in 40? 5 times. 5 5s are 25. What is the sign? Minus. This 5, how many times it is going in 40? 8 times. 8 2s are 16. So 25 minus 16. 15 minus 6 is 9. 9 by 40. So any common factors are there for 9 and 40? No. So this is the answer. This is the simplest form. Okay. So here also, this is positive, these two are negative, and you should subtract. So check the denominators. Denominators are not same. When denominators are same, LCM is the number itself. Otherwise, we should find out the LCM. So see. So 10 and 5 are the multiples of 5. So with 5 I start. 5 2s are, 5 1s are. 5 is not going in 4, as it is you take. Okay. Now for 2 and 4. 2 and 4 are the multiples of 2. So with 2 I am starting. 2 1s are 1 as it is. 2 2s are. Okay. So what is the LCM now? 5 into 2 into 2. So 5 2s are 10, 10 2s are 20. This is your LCM. Okay, first you should find out the LCM, then do the problem. That equal to 9 by 10 minus 1 by 5 minus 1 by 4 equal to LCM is 20. LCM is 20. So now 10, how many times it is going in 20? 2 times. 2 9s are 18. What is the sign? Minus. Okay. This 5, how many times it is going in 20? 4 times. 4 1s are 4. What is the sign? Minus. Again minus. This 4, how many times it is going in 20? 5 times. 5 1s are 5. Now check. See, denominator is 20. So this is positive. First you write. These two are negative numbers. When two negative numbers means add and keep the sign of minus. 4 plus 5 9 and keep the sign of minus. 18 minus 9. 18 minus 9 is 9. 9 by 20 is the answer. 9 by 20 is the answer. Now this is the mixed fraction. Here also the mixed fraction. First you convert the mixed fraction to fraction or improper fraction. Then do the same method. Okay. Now 6 1 by 2 means 2 6 are 12. 12 plus 1 is 13 by 2. Minus 5 3s are 15. 15 plus 2 is 17 by 5. Okay. Check the denominators. 2 and 5. For 2 and 5 both are different. No common factor is there. Because of that the product itself is LCM. For 2 and 5 any common factor is there? No. So the product itself is LCM. So 10 is the LCM. This 2 how many times it is going in 10? 5 times. 5 13s are 65. 13 5s are 65. So this 5 how many times it is going in 10? 2 times. 2 17s. 17 2s are, sign is minus, minus 34. So this is 5 minus 4 1. 6 minus 3 3 by 10. This is the simplest form. This is the simplest form. Next 3 1 by 4 minus 2 5 by 9. Again convert to the mixed fraction to improper fraction, or you can say fraction. 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 1 13 by 4. Minus 2 9s are 9 2s are 18. 18 plus 5 23 by 9. 23 by 9. Okay. So for 4 and 9 any common factors are there? No. So because of that the product itself is their LCM. Okay. So LCM is 4 9s are, means 4 9s are 36. Now 4 how many times it is going in 36? 9 times. 9 13s are, 13 9s are 107. So what is the sign? Minus. 9 how many times it is going in 36? 4 times. 24 into 23. 23 4s are, 4 3s are 12. 4 2s are 8 plus 1 9. 92. So you subtract. This is the positive, this is negative, and the bigger number sign is positive. So ordinary subtraction. So 7 minus 2 5. 10 minus 1 1. Minus 10 minus 9 1. So by 36. By 36. So is it? Yeah. Yes, 36. So in this fraction again you should check. Any common factors are there? Yeah. For 15 and 36, 3 will go. 3 5s are 15. 3 1s are, 3 2s are. 5 by 12 is the simplest form. 5 by 12 is the simplest form. I think you are following and understanding the problems how to do. So here coming to this problem, here also 3 mixed fractions are given and all the 3 you should add. So first convert the mixed fraction to fraction. 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 1 5 by 2. plus 4 ones are 4, 4 plus 1, 5 by 4, plus 8 ones are 8, 8 plus 3, 11 by 8. Okay, now see 2, 4, 8. All the three are multiples of 2. Multiples of 2. And so in all the three numbers, which number will go? 2 will go. Okay, all are multiples of 2. Because of that, your LCM is 8. Means see the short division. 2 ones, 2 twos, 2 fours. Again 2 will go. 2 ones, 2 twos. 2 twos are 4. 4 twos are 8. Okay. 4 twos are 8. So because of that, what is your LCM? 8. Least common multiple. Least common multiple. So this 2, how many times it is going in 8? 4 times. 4 5s are 20. What is the sign? Plus. 4 how many times it is going in 8? 2. 2 5s are 10. What is the sign? Plus. 8 how many times? 8 ones are 8. 8 only one time. 1 into 11 is 11. So 12 plus 10, 30. 30 plus 11, 41 by 8. 41 by 8. Now coming to the next problem. Same method is same. Why am I explaining many problems? Means if I do more problems, you will understand more easily because of that. So here also I am converting the mixed fraction into a fraction. 2 fours are 8. 8 plus 1, 9 by 2. Minus 4 twos are 8. 8 plus 3, 11 by 4. What is the sign? Minus 5 threes are 15. 15 plus 2, 17 by 5. 17 by 5. Okay. Now check the denominator. 2, 4, 5. So see the short division. These two are having the common factor 2. So 2 ones are, 2 twos are. This 2 is not going in 5 as it easily you take. Again for 2 and 5 no common factors are there. So 2 twos are 4, 4 5s are 20. 2 into 5 is the LCM 20. So 20 is your LCM. This 2 how many times it is going in 10? 10 times. 10 nines are 90. What is the sign? Minus. Minus. This 4 how many times it is going in 20? 5 times. 5 11s are 55. What is the 7? What is the sign? Minus. Again 5 how many times it is going in 24 times? 4 17s, 68. 17 fours are 68. So equal to 20. Positive you don't do anything. First negative simplification you do. So 2 negatives are there. Add and keep the sign of minus. You should add 5 18 13 123. Here you see one is positive, the other is negative. Okay, so because of that you subtract and keep the sign of bigger one. This is the bigger one, bigger number. Its sign is minus. Minus 123 minus 100. Ordinary subtraction. Do the subtraction and keep the sign of bigger one. Okay. Now that is 33 by 20. 33 by 20. Okay. Coming to the next problem. Will you do the homework or shall I explain? Okay, I'll explain. Okay, I'll explain. You see. This also same. 7 twos are 14. 14 plus 4, 18 by 7 minus 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 1, 13 by 4. Sign is plus. 5 ones are 5 plus 3, 8 by 5. Now see, 7, 4, 5. These are the denominators. Any common factors? Any two are having the common factor? No. All the three are different. So your LCM is product of all the three. 7 fours are 5 fours are 20. 27s are 140. Okay. So 140 is the LCM. So this 7, how many times it is going in 140? Means 4 into 5 times. So if you leave this, these two are the remaining. 4 into 5 times this 7 is going. Yes or not in 140? 4 5s are 20. 20 into 18. 18 2s are 36, means 360. What is the sign? Minus. This 4, how many times it is going in 140? Leave this number and see the other two numbers, denominator numbers. 7 into 5 times. 7 5s are 35. 35 into 13. 35 into 13. 13 5s are 65. 13 3s are 39. 39 40 45. 450. 455. Sign is plus. This 5, how many times it is going in 140? 7 into 4 times, means 28 times. Now 28 into 8. 28 into 8. 8 8s are 64. 8 2s are 16. Plus 6. 224. 224. Okay. So now your denominator is 140. Now, how many positives are there? 2 positives are there. So, first you add those two. 360 plus 224. 0 plus 4, 4. 6 plus 2, 8. 3 plus 2, 5. Minus 445. Now, you subtract and keep the sign of bigger one. Denominator is 140. Okay. So, 14 minus 5, 9. 7 minus 5. 2, 5 minus 1, 4 is 1. 129 by 140 is your answer. I think you understood the topic. In the next class, I'll continue.